Number 7. By which process do oxygen and carbon dioxide move between cells and capillaries? So let's just draw a cell, and let's just draw a capillary. The cell needs oxygen for respiration, and it needs to get rid of carbon dioxide. So breathing is not done by the cell or cells. It's actually done by human or animal. So we're talking about cells, so breathing is not correct. Diffusion is correct because the oxygen and carbon dioxide diffuses in and out of the cell. So that's the process that's occurring between the cells and capillaries. Excretion is not quite right. Getting rid of carbon dioxide is excretion, but we are also taking oxygen in, so it's not excretion. Respiration is not correct, although respiration involves both oxygen and carbon dioxide. This is process of making energy, so it's a release of energy using oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide as well. So strictly speaking, it doesn't actually talk about the movement between the cells and capillaries, a movement of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the cells and capillaries. So the better answer or the best answer is B for this question.